Hi, good day, Miss Aisa Moico. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, ma'am and sir. Good day. My name is Aisa Moico. I am 40 years old from Angono, Philippines. We are 13 siblings. I am from the youngest.
Alright, thank you for that. Do you have any kids?
I don't have yet.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am college undergraduate with a course of Bachelor of Elementary Education with first year. I didn't finish my schooling because of financial problem. And I also finished my educational course, vocational course, Computer Secretarial.
Did you finish your high school?
Yes.
Do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I have 2 years and 3 months experience in Saudi Arabia as domestic helper.
Please indicate your previous employer name.
My employer name, Abdulaziz Family.
Please indicate your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper.
My duties and responsibilities, household chores, cooking, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and also taking care of kids ages 5 and 7 years old.
Alright, thank you. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, I finished my contract.
Do you have any work experience locally here in Philippines?
Yes, I have 5 years work experience here in the Philippines as nanny and housekeeper.
Thank you. How would you describe yourself?
I am trustworthy, reliable, hardworking, kind, and patient.
Thank you for that. Do you have any tattoo?
I don't have.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Because I want to sustain my family needs and also my future.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I'm not scared because I am pet lover.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
I give positive attitude and also I can give something that can help them to come.
Right, thank you for that. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little children wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Thank you for that. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you hire me, I assure you that I will take care of your children with love and dedication and take them as my own. And also, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities as domestic helper. Looking forward for the opportunity to be part of your family. Thank you.